In today's video, I'm going to teach you about what happens when you receive an MC011 notice from eBay, why it occurs, and how to prevent it. An MC011 notification is essentially eBay's way of telling you that your account has been restricted. It signals that eBay is currently reviewing or has even suspended your selling privileges due to concerns about trust or performance issues. Let's dive into why you might receive such a notification. We'll start with inconsistent or suspicious activity on your account. If there's a sudden spike in your listings or sales, this can raise a red flag for eBay. Listing branded or high-risk items such as electronics, sneakers, or supplements without a previous sales history can also trigger this notice. Moreover, using multiple accounts or frequently changing your IP address or the devices you use to log into eBay can create suspicion. Policy violations are another reason you might find yourself with an MC011. This includes selling counterfeit items, violating VRO policies, or listing restricted items. Additionally, incomplete item descriptions, using fake tracking numbers, or creating misleading titles can all be detrimental. Let's not forget biometrics. High cancellation rates, delays in shipping, or failing to provide tracking information can negatively impact your metrics. If buyers often open cases against you, it's time to rethink your approach. Also, remember that having an account that is not fully verified can contribute to receiving an MC011. Missing information such as unverified identity, tax details, or bank info, or having inconsistencies between your eBay account and payment processors like PayPal or Stripe can all be factors here. Now that we've covered why it happens, let's talk about prevention. Start by building a trustworthy account gradually. Don't immediately list hundreds of items on a brand new seller account. Instead, begin with a few low-risk items such as books, used clothes, or tools. This helps establish a reliable track record. It's advisable to avoid high-risk categories in the early stages of selling. Steer clear of high-ticket items like electronics, brand-name shoes, or luxury goods unless you have the necessary invoice proof to support your sales. When you do sell items, ensure you ship fast and upload the tracking information promptly. Use real tracking numbers and make it a habit to mark orders as shipped within a day. Keeping clean biometrics is crucial. Try to avoid cancelling orders and strive to respond to messages quickly. Encourage feedback to help build trust with your buyers. Consistency is key in maintaining a good standing with eBay. Use a consistent IP address and device, and avoid logging in from different countries or switching devices frequently. Always use your real name and bank information to prevent issues with account verification. Adhering to these guidelines can help you build a solid reputation as an eBay seller and avoid those dreaded MC011 notifications. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.